In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 ingredients recipes that I made this week. I can already assume that you have some salt, some pepper, and those oils in your kitchen. I am not going to count those ones in the ingredients, otherwise we will only be eating salt and pepper with oil. I don't think so. I know you clicked on this video because, like me, you're tired of the cooking and the cleaning that takes hours. So this week I'm going to try recipes with only 4 ingredients, and it's going to help me to save time and money. For this recipe I got some whitefish. I added some salt, pepper, and some mystery fish mix spices. I just prayed I wasn't allergic to anything. The fish mix will really depends on your store, and it's really great to have because it usually contains multiple different spices and flavors in it. For the lemon part, I cut about 4 slices. I squeeze lemon juice all over before laying the slices, then drizzle olive oil. Everything ended up in the steamer, so I needed to make sure that it was not going to drip everywhere. We need to keep all that juice in there, you know? I normally use baking sheets, but they didn't have it at my store anymore. I don't even know why I made that many potatoes. I can never have enough of it, I guess. But I did the same exact thing that I did for the fish, but I added way less of that fish mix. You guys, it is actually smelling ridiculously good. The fish is cooked. I'm still waiting on the potatoes. The fish is breaking. Okay. Okay, let's try this. I'm not used to this. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm just not used to this type of spices. I usually put my own spice. It will really change in function of what spice you're using. And also, most of the time, I do use butter instead of olive oil. But today I wanted to be a little bit, a little bit more healthy. So, we just eat it. It's not bad though. For a quick meal, I'd definitely eat that more. I give it 7.
That's so cool. I like the lemon part of it.
It's so good.
That's very good. What kind of spices is it? Because it tastes good to me.
Stuffed zucchini. This dish is exactly what you need if you're looking for something very light. I wish that I boiled the zucchini before for a softer texture. I was supposed to use some already made pasta sauce, but it never got delivered to me. So luckily I had this last can of tomato sauce in my kitchen. I added the mozzarella cheese and then put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. breakfast, I decided to do this Korean dish, which has rice, a fried egg, and scallion, and a little bit of soy sauce. This recipe is so simple and so good. Growing up, I always preferred eating rice over anything else in the morning. I've never been a big fan of eating sweets, so this dish is the perfect combination.
Simple but so good.
This one is one of Igana's favorite. I wasn't hungry for chicken at all as I'm trying to reduce the amount of meat I'm eating lately. I also learned that I was gluten intolerant, so I had to be very careful lately. But anyway, you can easily do it with 4 ingredients. You need some pan chicken, a boiled egg mixed with mayonnaise, salt and pepper if necessary. Toast the bread on the pan for the crispiness and voila.
I already know I'm gonna want more. Oh no. Oh my god.
How much do you rate it?
9.
9?
But I have to eat more. Because it's just too good.
Oh, honey, you might want to cancel your plans, cause today we're eating garlic. Start with slicing your garlic and bok choys long ways. Oh, look at this little baby bok choy. You know what else is cute like a baby bok choy? A baby bunny. If this channel gets 150k subs, I'm getting a baby bunny. So, subscribe. In a pan, toss your oil, a third of your sliced garlic, and your bok choy. Make sure to lay them flat so each of them can roast the best way. Add some salt and pepper. In the meantime, salt and pepper the pork chop. Take half of the garlic that is left and add them to your oiled pan. Cook the pork till brown on both sides. Last step, add water and the rest of your garlic to the pan. Then add your oyster sauce to simmer.
Bok choy with oyster sauce. I was not expecting it to taste like that. It's so good. Okay.
Only 4 ingredients.
That's crazy.
Okay, but this might be the best bok choy I've ever cooked. What the heck? Usually I'm putting ginger on it and other stuff, so what is it all for? It's already good like this. This is ridiculously good. I think I'll just cook it like this all the time.
Baby, I have a big question to ask you. Does my breath stink? I love you. Amor de la vida. Goodbye.
You might have seen this one before. Mix the chia seed and coconut milk. I like to wait till the chia seed absorb the liquid. Don't hesitate to add water to it if it gets too hard. Slice up the mango and it's ready to eat. I like to eat that for breakfast or even dessert, and it's nice because you can make a lot of it. For this recipe, I had to make the meatballs and the yakitori sauce myself, as I can't find gluten-free version at my store. Normally, you should be able to buy them already pre-made at your store. The meatballs was so perfectly done, lightly crunchy on the outside, soft in the inside. The glazing part was probably the most satisfying part in all that. And what is that? That little finger? S'il vous plaît? Ugh, look at the steam. I cheated a little bit by adding some Japanese mayo and sesame seed for the eyes. Sorry, but I couldn't resist.
So nice. How did you make this?
With the leftover, the next day I made this beautiful masterpiece with roasted carrots and zucchini. Too beautiful to not share. This one is something I have never tried before. I decided to make a grilled caramelized onion cheese sandwich. It's a recipe that I found in this lady's channel. I think her name is Vegan Korean. I'm not going to make a vegan version because our vegan cheese here tastes quite like nothing. So for that, I'm going to need some onions, some cheese, some bread, and a little bit of vegetable bouillon. As this is the last recipe, I wanted to take the time to thank all of you guys for all your nice comment on my first video. Also, thank you to Ikena for sending me all these lovely people. I always told him that the community that he has are so kind and supportive. I also love how patient you guys have been with him since he's been sick, because it hasn't been easy at all lately. I can definitely tell you that even bedridden, this man has been working so hard on this new language learning app coming up. So thank you for this. I did not expect that amount of love at all. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I get shy. Oh no. This sandwich tasted like a French delicious onion soup. Ikena approved. Life is good, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Bye.
You better sing.